Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with my baby sister. Say hi, baby.
Hi.
She's going to be testing out all my fidgets. Not all of them, but she's going to be testing them out. First, my marble mesh. Is it good or bad?
Good.
It's good. That's good. Now try my square poppet. Is it good or bad?
Good.
Okay. Looks like you like it, huh?
Yeah.
Now my Orby stress ball. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Okay. So she likes it. Now my squishy. Do you like it? Looks like she likes it. Now try this puppet. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Good. Now we're gonna try my DNA ball. Do you like it?
Yeah.
And then last item, my simple dimple. Do you like it?
Yeah, it's stick on my fingers.
Does it stick on your finger? Okay. Well, guys, I hope you liked this video. I love you. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. You don't have to, but I'd love for you to, if you do. I hope you like this video. Bye. Say bye.